Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do off hairline conrow, and some people call it Bandika conrow. I'm going to use a needle and thread and a braid DIY which I did off the camera. So if you want to know how I achieve this hair, please stay tuned and don't go away. So depending on how you want it to look like, you know how you can section your hairs based on the way you want the hair to be. So I'm going to be doing it one after the other so that you guys will understand what I'm trying to do. Because normally if I'm doing this kind of hair, what I do is I conroll the natural hair all through before I start sewing in the DIY conrow. So but I'm going to be doing it one after the other for a clear view. So after you finish conrolling your natural hair from beginning to the last part of it, that is when you now start sewing in the conrow. I'm going to recommend this hairstyle mostly for those who doesn't have a front hairline, that maybe wants to do a Ghana braid and they were like, my hairs are no longer there. How will I achieve it? How will my Ghana braid look nice on me? So this method is another way which you can use to cover the shame of not having a front hairline. So guys, after you finish conrolling, like I was saying before, you start sewing it in. Now I'm done with the conrow, which I use the natural hair to do, and I'm going to sew the Ghana braid on top of the conroll I did, just like as I'm doing it on the video. So it depends on where you want it to start or where you want it to lay in. Like for me, this is where I want my own to lay in. So if you want your own to come up to come to the front more, you can shift it to the front. But if you want it to also go back more than mine, you can also do that. So before you start, you try to attach the braid to the inner conrow that you did and start sewing in. And there is a way you will sew this pattern of hairstyle. You don't sew from the other side, like maybe sewing from the left to the right, then you now carry your needle on top of the braid, go to the right and sew again. No, this one is that you're going to sew from the left to the right, you still from that same left and sew back to the right. That is how you're going to sew all of them, because if you turn it over, that means you will see the trace of the thread. So this method will make it look so nice. So in case you are wondering how I'm picking up the conroll I did with the natural hair and also picking up the Ghana braid conroll DIY, what I do is this. I just pick by the side, each of the side of the braid and of the conroll, and sew them together. Like the conroll I dropped on top of the natural conroll, I just sew in from one side of the body to, and then pick up the inner conroll and bring it out to the other side. I still did the same thing from the other side, picking up one side of the braid with alongside with the inner weaving, and I sew it out. This is how I make it look so strong, as in how it looks so strong and you wouldn't even notice that it's been attached. So please, if you find this video helpful and you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell to be notified anytime I post a video. As for my old subscribers who just stopped by, thank you guys for always supporting me. Bye guys, till we meet in my next video, and don't forget to also like, comment and share this video. Bye.
Forever free fall. I'm so caught in this, but so lost deep in it.